वक्त है विदेश की खबरों का। अमेरिका के शिकागो में फेडरेशन ऑफ इंडियन शिकागो संस्था यानी एफआईए ने भारत का 80वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस का उत्सव धूमधाम से मनाया। ये सेलिब्रेशन केवल भारत के 80वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस का ही नहीं था, बल्कि अमेरिका के स्वतंत्रता की 250वीं वर्षगांठ का भी था। इस कार्यक्रम में करीब 200 लोगों ने हिस्सा लिया। वंदे मातरम राष्ट्रगान भी गाया गया, जिसमें सभी ने स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन दी। मंच पर सभी वरिष्ठों ने अपनी बातें रखी। वहीं बड़ों और बच्चों ने देशभक्ति के गाने गाए, जिसमें कार्यक्रम में समा बांध दिया। इसके अलावा देशभक्ति के गानों पर कई परफॉर्मेंस भी की गई, जिसके लोगों को खूब सराहना की।
In last 14 years, India has progressed so much in the field of education.
नमस्कार, मेरे साथ में हेमंत जी पटेल। अभी हमने एफआईए के बैनर के नीचे भारत के 80वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस और अमेरिका के 250वें आज़ादी का जो उत्सव हमने मनाया है। So 250 years of America's independence, 80th years of India's independence. With me is Hemant ji Patel. Let's get your greetings to the community at large.
Wishing you all a very happy India Independence Day, and at the same time, those who are in America, wishing them 250th anniversary of America. In this kind of patriotic events, I always think that it must be celebrated with a patriotic spirit, not Bollywood dance or Bollywood stuff. But this is a serious event. Those events should not be for entertainment, but it should be educational, and it should create a patriotic theme. And I think that is what we tried today. And I think we were successful in doing that. So once again, thank you very much to everybody, those who participated here. And see you soon.
Freedom is not free, as we all know. So many sacrifices have gone, and we have seen that the participation of Lieutenant General Dillon. He was here today, and he presented his Operation Sindoor book launch, also the US launch. We had our Consul General Somnath Ji Ghosh, and then we had Israel, because America, Israel, and Bharat, they are the three strategic alliance, goes very strong, and we have to work together to make sure that the things are being taking shape the way we want. We wish you all the best, sir. Good luck. Thank you so very much.
Thank
Happy
you,
Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day.
Bharat Mata ki jai. With me is Melissa Bains. We used to call her when she was a congressman at the earliest time, and Melissa 1. Now she's going to be in the Melissa 0.20. I'm going to say that. November, as we know, she just made it in the month of February when we had primaries. Now the November, the main elections are going to be there. And she is a candidate from the Democratic side for Illinois 8th. No matter rain or sunshine, we have seen you when you were serving in your first term. I needed you for community work, not for personal work, but you were always available. And so much has been needed now in the time that we are going through. We are celebrating 80 years of India and 250 years of My Karambhumi America. I need your greetings for the community at large.
So I want to say congratulations. It's such a wonderful celebration of 80 years of independence, and not only for India, but for the diaspora here, the Indian American community, who is so welcoming to me as I come celebrate with you. And we celebrate our own 250th U.S. independence as well. So it's a combination of celebration, which is very beautiful.
Miss Beans, let's hear from you what tomorrow, you being a congresswoman, will be your first pledge to do.
There's so much to do. I mean, first you have to build your team so that you have constituent services and you can support people in the community when they are trying to connect to federal agencies. And then after that, we've got a lot of work to do restoring funding to critical federal agencies so people can rely on the services that their taxpayer dollars are intended to fund.
So I just want to say that our brother Raja is leaving, but our sister Ben, Melissa Ben, is coming. Thank you with these words. We wish you all the best, ma'am. Good luck. Thank you so very much.
Thank you so very much. And again,
Happy
wonderful celebration of independence. Thank you.